Hi friends, I'm Dr. Anushree Muralidharan and today I'm here with a test or an analysis called Prakriti analysis. Prakriti is not an unfamiliar term to the people of Ayurveda fraternity, but for others it means nature. Prakriti, according to Ayurveda, is also nature. It is the nature of a person. Prakriti is the body constitution of a person. It is a sum of anatomical, psychological, and physiological constitution of a person. Prakriti assessment is the first step of diagnosis or the foremost diagnostic tool. So let's start the Prakriti analysis. Please take a pen and paper and get ready to mark your answers A, B, or C. There is a set of 41 questions with three options A, B, C as answers. You just need to choose one among the three choices which is most suitable in your case, either A or B or C. Finally, we will be adding up all the A's, B's, and C's. A, B, C denotes Vada, Pitta, and Kapha respectively. The one which you get in highest number will be the predominant dosha in you, and the second highest will be the second dominant dosha in you. Predominant dosha is to be written first, followed by the second dominant dosha. Now you got your Prakriti. Try to answer these questions honestly to get your exact Prakriti. Your body frame: thin frame and lean, medium frame, large frame with fat deposits. Body weight: slow weight gain, fast gaining and losing of weight, difficult to lose weight. Tolerance to weather conditions: aversion to cold, aversion to heat, comfortable in all weather but prefers heat. Tolerance to adverse situations: get easily worried and anxious, get easily irritated, angry, and aggressive, remain calm, and become passive, depressed, and withdrawn sometimes. Your mood: mood changes quickly, with mood swings often, mood changes slowly, stable and constant with very less mood swings. Perspiration or pattern of sweating: sweats very less and low body odor, sweats too much and strong body odor, sweats moderately with low body odor. General immunity: low immunity with frequent attack of diseases, moderate immunity with disease attack occasionally, high immunity where disease attack is rare. Bowel movement: constipated with dry and hard stools, frequent bowel movement with urgency to evacuate, heavy stool which is sticky. Menstrual flow in women: light flow, heavy flow, normal flow. Digestion: irregular and poor digestion with gas formation or bloating quite often. Fast digestion with acidity or burning sensation often. Prolonged digestion with mucus formation. Appetite: irregular appetite which is scanty. Strong appetite which is sudden and with unbearable hunger. Slow appetite but steady. Thirst level: fluctuating thirst, thirsty very often, rarely thirsty. Sleeping pattern: difficult to fall asleep and interrupted sleep, fall asleep easily and a moderate sleep, fall asleep easily with a deep and prolonged sleep. Duration of sleep: short duration, medium duration, long duration. Speed in walking, talking, and performing other activities: fast and in hurry, moderate speed and a good speaker, slow and limited speech. Your hair color: pale brown, reddish brown with early graying, jet black. Your hair texture: rough and dry with split ends, smooth and silky but thin, thick and lustrous and greasy. Hair volume: fine, medium, thick. Eyes. Small eyes which are dry and blinks often. Medium sized eye which is slightly reddish or yellowish in color. Large white eyes with thick eyelashes. Tongue. Slightly brownish, slightly pinkish, white coating on tongue. Lips. Thin and dry lips which often get chapped. Medium sized lips which are soft and pinkish with upper lip darker than lower lip. Large smooth lips. Which group of disease you are more prone to? Indigestion, bloating and joint pain, rashes, fever and diarrhea, cough, cold, nasal and sinus congestion and obesity. Your teeth, irregular and unevenly aligned, slightly crooked with sharp edges, straight and perfectly aligned. Your skin, dry, rough and cool to touch, oily skin which is sensitive to light and more prone to pimples and warmer than others, thick, glowing and cold. Appearance of veins, prominent and very visible, moderately visible, hidden and very less visible. Body hair, scanty, moderate, thick. Skin issues, dryness and cracks, pimples, rashes and freckles, no issues. Complexion, dark which tans easily, pinkish red with freckles, glowing white. Nails, brittle nails or those nails which breaks very easily, which is rough, thin and small. Shining and delicate nails, large, strong and non-brittle nails. Nail color, dark, pinkish red, shining white. Joints, bony prominent joints which make cracking sound while moving, smooth and flexible joints, strong and firm joints. Body temperature, slightly less than normal with cold hands and feet and feels colder than others. Slightly more than normal with sweating hands and feel hotter than others. Normal with a feeling of cold slightly. Your communication skills, fast and unclear speech, good and speaks clearly, slow and speaks gently and little. State of mind or mental activities, quick and restless, alert and intelligent, calm and stable. Social relations, introvert and make less friends, good number of friends, less number of friends but solid relationships. Emotions, get easily worried and anxious, get easily irritated, angry and jealous, calm and patient and difficult to make them angry, but at the same time greedy and self-centered. Memory and retention, learn quickly but short term retention, moderate speed in learning and moderate retention, learn slowly but long term retention. Grasping power, grasps quickly but incompletely and forgets quickly, grasps quickly and completely, grasps slowly and long term retention. People appreciate you for your spontaneity and easily adapting nature, intellect, courage, and leadership skills, compassionate, gentle, and caring nature. People ask you to be more settled, focused, and organized, calm, soft natured, and tolerant, enthusiastic, and proactive. You're walking quick with light steps, average speed and precise steps, very slow with heavy steps. Everyone has all the three doshas in their body. The three doshas are Vata, Pitta and Kapha. Prakriti is sum of percentage of each of these three doshas. Percentage of each doshas vary in each person. Now you got your Prakriti. If you want to know the characteristic traits of your Prakriti and the measures to prevent the imbalance of each doshas. Please watch the next video. Link is given in the subscription box below. I hope you enjoyed finding out your Prakriti. Please do comment which Prakriti you are. You may also comment the disease or health issue which you want us to discuss. We'll try to come up with videos for the same. Please don't forget to like, comment and share. If you haven't subscribed till now, please do subscribe. Thank you for listening. This is Dr. Anushree signing out.